Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, friends, I will tell you and show you how to disable flash notifications on iPhone. Don't forget to please, friends, put your likes, write comments for sure after watching, and also subscribe to the channel. So let us get down to this topic. Flash notifications are notifications when you have a flashlight on the back of your iPhone. For example, it can be when someone calls you or you receive some notifications or messages. To turn them off, please open the settings on your iPhone. Scroll through a little bit. Go to this section here. Now please also scroll through and please find the audio and visual section here. Now scroll to the very bottom and go to the last section, LED flash. And look, if you have flash notification options enabled here, just turn them off by clicking on the buttons next to those options so that they turn gray. That way you'll disable any flash notifications on your iPhone. I really hope this video, friends, was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.